Good morning, my people. Today is Wednesday, and we are trading Bank Nifty today. So, just like I've done in the last two videos, initiated a position at around 10:20, 10:25, and this is how it is looking so far: 45,600 puts and 46,600 calls, almost around 1,000 points range within this triangle. And yeah, let's see how this plays out. And yeah, the same funda, same rules. We waited for the base to form, and after the base has been formed, we have entered into the positions. Now we'll try to dance around the position as like how the market is moving and respond to market. So I'll update you guys how I do the adjustment, what is the thought process, and those things. Just for the sake of those who are watching this video, I'll show you what I meant by base formation. So if you see from 9:15, this was the opening candle, and from here market has almost formed a base. This first 1 hour is what we call as range formation. So the positions we have taken is for 45,600 and 46,600. Yeah, are the two levels which we have taken now, call and put. And let's see how the market moves around, and I'll update you guys whenever there is an adjustment. The thought process, why I did what. Well, what a day, guys, and what a day. I mean, I was so busy adjusting the position, didn't have any free time, just to come in front of the screen and record this. I'll just show you what happened. Bank Nifty has gone bonkers today. It is moving crazily downwards. You can see the intensity in the day candle as well. So if you see the after first 1 hour, we entered somewhere here, and after that Bank Nifty has continuously gone down. You see the kind of intensity it has shown in going down. It was so severe, and to manage non-directional positions with this was a task at hand. We almost tanked to around minus 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 percentage of MTM losses. Now I'll show you what are the positions I'm holding. I rolled down my calls aggressively. As you can see, I closed all my calls here. I closed my calls here, closed calls here, and then I went straight to 46,200 and 46,001. These are the calls I'm holding right now, and these are the puts I have in my bracket as well. So MTM is around minus 5,000, minus 6,000 levels. Let's see how the day plans out. We'll see for more adjustments. I mean, what do I say, guys? I mean, this is bonkers market. I mean, this is bonkers market. See the way Bank Nifty is moving right now. It has no respite to any kind of traders, directional, non-directional, any. So after making a low of around 45,800, in the next 2-3 candles it has made a high of around 46,130. So 300 point moves up and down within a matter of few minutes, and it has chopped everyone left, right, and center. So basically no respite to any kind of traders, and I had to aggressively adjust my positions, come closer to manage this. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. Anyway, it's not looking very good at the moment. It has to settle, otherwise we'll be in for a big trouble. So I'll show you my positions now. I had to roll up my puts. You can see I closed my puts. 45,900 I closed, 45,800 I closed, 45,600, 700, everything I closed, and I rolled up to 46,100, and even 46,000 and 46,100 is what I'm holding as of now. So yeah, there is no respite. Just moved to 46,100 and 46,200 as well. A little of those quantities. Everything is in red. So yeah, let's see how the day progress. I'll update you guys whenever we take. Looks like we have to take MTMSL today. I'll update you guys. So that is the summary of what has happened. Bank Nifty came down. We rolled down our calls. Now Bank Nifty is firing up, so we rolled down our puts, and now we are staying around in this region. We'll see how this plays out. So I've done one of the best fight backs I've ever done in my recent trading sessions. We are here holding 46,100 calls and puts in a triangle, 46,200 puts and 46,000 calls, which is in the money, so to speak. And our MTM is around plus 8,000 now. It was a scary ride. I mean, really scary ride. Let's see how this fares out. So for now, these are the positions I'm holding. So you can see the way in which I adjust. First there was a blast on the put side, so I rolled on my calls. Then there was a sudden and freaky reversal, so I rolled on my puts again. And now I'm holding in this region. I have in the money options and straddle. So let's see how this fares out. I'll update you guys whenever there is any change and further thought process. Alright guys, so this is one of the toughest days I've traded in the last quarter or so. I mean, look at the swings. Bank Nifty opened at this candle and then tanked all the way till here and has now recovered all the way up till here. I mean, it is insane. I mean, there is no way how a non-national player can navigate this. And of course, I've had my share of troubles and I'm currently in a bit of negative MTM. So if you see my positions, yeah, just break even, and my positions are 46,400 puts, 46,400 calls, straddle out there, 500 calls and 500 puts. I mean, I don't know what else to do. Very, very tough. Anyway, these are the positions as of now. You would have got an idea by now how I traded this. Look at the positions which I've closed. All this were my in the money, out of the money positions which I had to close out. And yeah, so let's see how this plays out. I'll update you guys if there are any adjustments or any changes. Okay guys, so the time is 7 minutes past 1 and pretty much nothing has changed. We are just in kind of break even green. And if you see the chart for Bank Nifty has been absolutely monstrous in terms of movements. So it had tanked all the way down and has gone all the way up. Now it's just not settling anywhere, so to speak. If it settles here, for the remaining period of the time, we might end up with good green. Otherwise it's going to be trouble once again. So my positions for now, I have few in the money calls at 46,300 and mostly at 46,400 calls which are trading at the money. And then obviously I have 46,400 puts which are at the money, and I have 46,500 puts which is again in the money. So I'm managing with straddle and in the money. Let's see how this plays out, and we'll see accordingly. It's one of the most tiring markets, bros. I mean, just look at this chart of Bank Nifty. It has been making continuous ups. It had broken all the lows and gone till 45,820, and from 45,820 it has almost made a 900 points move and almost touched day high as well. I mean, it is insane. What I've traded today is insane and very unfortunate to have the course being recorded, but it's a good thing as well. I mean, you get to learn the extreme levels of management. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you any green profits or whatever, but then this doesn't get even worse than this. So the positions we are in right now, we are 46,400 call short which is in the money. We have 46,700 put short which is in the money. We have 46,600 put short which is sort of in the money. So 2 in the money we are managing. I don't know what else to do. Just it is insane. And our MTM currently has tanked again to minus 12,000 levels, which is very bad. If you see, our maximum profit can only be around 20,000. So let's see how this goes. Let's see how this ends. I'll update you guys. I'm really tired. That's why I think it's evident in my voice as well. It's really tiring. I've punched around 163 orders. Oh my god, 163. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'll update you guys. Okay guys, so I had just exited out my positions at minus 42,000 losses. Terrible days of trading. I mean, today Bank Nifty was not at all tradable as a non-directional option seller, and you see the charts. It was terrible to trade. No way it was possible. It was kind of, what pattern is this, N or M, I don't know. And look at the swings compared to the other days. Look at the swings. It was insane. Couldn't trade, ended up in lows. I'm showing you. So out of 3 days in this series where I started to record, 2 days hit the maximum losses. Let's see how the other day goes. Let's see. Tomorrow we'll be trading Nifty. Till then, take care. Bye bye.